Number 1. Minimalism is a mindset shift. Minimalism starts with a mindset shift. It's not just about decluttering your physical space. It's about changing your perspective on what you truly need to be happy. By focusing on what adds value to your life and letting go of excess, you create space for more meaningful experiences and relationships. This shift requires introspection and a willingness to challenge societal norms about consumption. Number 2. Less stuff means less stress. One of the immediate benefits of minimalism is reduced stress. Fewer possessions mean fewer things to worry about. Clean, maintain, and organize. Your living space becomes more serene and manageable, which can significantly lower your stress levels and improve your overall well-being. Number 3. Quality over quantity. Minimalism emphasizes quality over quantity. Instead of having many low-quality items, invest in fewer, high-quality pieces that are durable and bring you joy. This applies to everything from clothing to kitchenware. High-quality items last longer and often function better, saving you money and reducing waste in the long run. Number 4. It's a journey, not a destination. Embracing minimalism is a continuous process rather than a one-time event. It involves regularly reassessing your possessions and habits to ensure they align with your values and needs. Understand that it's okay to make gradual changes and that perfection isn't the goal. Progress is... Number 5. Minimalism doesn't mean deprivation. Many people think minimalism means living with the bare minimum, but it's not about depriving yourself. Instead, it's about intentionally choosing what to keep and what to let go of, ensuring that what remains truly enhances your life. You can still enjoy your favorite hobbies and comforts. Minimalism simply encourages you to focus on what matters most. Number 6. Experiences over possessions. Minimalism encourages valuing experiences over material possessions. Spending money on experiences such as travel, concerts, or time with loved ones often brings more lasting happiness than buying more stuff. Memories and experiences enrich your life and contribute to personal growth. Number 7. Decluttering is liberating. The process of decluttering can be incredibly liberating. As you let go of items that no longer serve a purpose, you'll feel a sense of freedom and lightness. Start with one area at a time, such as a closet or a drawer, and gradually work through your entire home. Donate, sell, or recycle items responsibly to give them a new life and minimize waste. Number 8. Minimalism can save you money. By focusing on what you truly need and cutting out unnecessary purchases, minimalism can lead to significant financial savings. You'll find yourself spending less on impulse buys and more thoughtfully considering each purchase. Over time, these savings can add up and provide financial security or the opportunity to invest in experiences or higher quality items. Number 9. Mindful consumption. Minimalism promotes mindful consumption. This means being aware of your purchasing habits and the impact they have on your life and the environment. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if the item will add value, if you truly need it, and if it aligns with your values. Mindful consumption helps reduce clutter and fosters a more sustainable lifestyle. Number 10. Digital minimalism. Minimalism isn't limited to physical possessions. It also applies to your digital life. Digital minimalism involves decluttering your digital space by organizing files, deleting unnecessary apps, and managing your online presence. Reducing digital clutter can improve focus, productivity, and mental clarity. Number 11. Minimalism and sustainability. Minimalism and sustainability go hand in hand. By consuming less and choosing sustainable products, you reduce your environmental footprint. Opt for eco-friendly, reusable, and ethically made items whenever possible. This conscious approach benefits both you and the planet. Number 12. Simplify your wardrobe. A minimalist wardrobe, often referred to as a capsule wardrobe, consists of versatile, high-quality pieces that can be mixed and matched. This approach simplifies daily outfit choices, reduces decision fatigue, and ensures you always have something you love to wear. Focus on timeless styles and neutral colors that can be easily coordinated. Number 13. Prioritize self-care. Minimalism isn't just about decluttering your space. It's also about decluttering your mind and prioritizing self-care. Make time for activities that nourish your body and mind, such as exercise, meditation, reading, or spending time in nature. A minimalist lifestyle encourages you to focus on your well-being and what brings you joy. Number 14. Minimalism can improve relationships. By reducing distractions and focusing on what truly matters, minimalism can improve your relationships. You'll have more time and energy to spend with loved ones and create meaningful connections. This intentional approach to relationships fosters deeper bonds and a greater sense of community. Number 15. Minimalism encourages creativity. With fewer distractions and a clearer space, minimalism can boost your creativity. A minimalist environment provides a blank canvas for your ideas and projects. Whether it's writing, painting, or problem solving, a clutter-free space can help you think more clearly and creatively. Number 16. Practice gratitude. Minimalism encourages a practice of gratitude. By appreciating what you have and focusing on the positives in your life, you cultivate a mindset of abundance rather than scarcity. Regularly expressing gratitude for your possessions, experiences, and relationships can lead to greater happiness and contentment. Number 17. Minimalism in social media. Applying minimalism to your social media use can significantly impact your mental health. Unfollow accounts that don't inspire or add value to your life, limit your screen time, and be intentional about your online interaction. This approach reduces digital noise and helps you focus on more meaningful connections and activities. Number 18. Minimalism and mental health. A minimalist lifestyle can have a positive impact on your mental health. Decluttering your space and simplifying your life reduces stress, anxiety, and the feeling of being overwhelmed. It creates a calm, orderly environment that promotes mental clarity and emotional well-being. Number 19. Flexibility in minimalism. Remember that minimalism is flexible and personal. There is no one-size-fits-all approach. Adapt minimalism to suit your lifestyle and needs. What works for one person may not work for another, so find a balance that feels right for you and adjust as needed over time. Number 20. Minimalism is a lifelong practice. And minimalism is not a one-time project, but a lifelong practice. It requires regular reassessment and adjustment to ensure your possessions and habits align with your evolving values and goals. Embrace minimalism as a journey of continuous improvement, self-discovery, and intentional living. By incorporating these 20 principles into your life, minimalism can transform not only your physical space, but also your mindset and overall well-being. It's about creating a life filled with purpose, joy, and clarity, free from the burden of excess. Embrace minimalism at your own pace and discover the profound impact it can have on your happiness and fulfillment.